Hi again. So these are my wacky turning cubes, which are the Ivy cube, this cube, and the Dino cube. So I'm gonna sort them by difficulty. So I'll do this first. It's gonna take a very short time just to solve this. And I tell you, it's a short time.
Hold on, let me check. That was fast. Okay, next one.
Now the Dino cube. Yeah, what the Dino cube actually taught me about color scheme, because if you don't do the correct color scheme, you need to do the correct one. So I believe this is the correct color scheme. Then I just solved sides. Just 2 more sides to solve and 1 more side to solve. And okay.
Wow.
Yeah, these are very easy ones.
Okay, next one.
It's a cube which turns like this. Now do I start?
Yes.
Then this is lucky.
Done? All 3 of them?
Yes.
Wow. That's fast. Okay, good job, baby.
Now we just got a few more to go. Or a lot.